Can you swallow it? Yes, but is it healthy to do so? Well, that depends on several factors. It's not a straightforward yes or no answer. There are things you need to know. There is the semen that men produce when they ejaculate during sexual intercourse. And then there's the kind of semen that you would find in an ejaculate that maybe occurs outside of sexual intercourse, like through porn watching. Now, because of the risk of sexually transmitted infections, especially for women, who may not always experience symptoms swallowing semen during sex with your partner. Assuming he is healthy and has been screened for sexually transmitted infections, this shouldn't be a major concern. Just like you should wash your hands before eating food, it's also a good idea to practice good oral hygiene before engaging in oral intimacy. It's perfectly fine to decide not to swallow it. Some women simply don't want to ingest any bodily fluids, and that's totally understandable. If you do so, make sure that you are doing it consensually and with a partner you trust. If you're concerned about sexually transmitted infections, always use protection when engaging in sexual activity with new partners. Practice good oral hygiene before and after intimate moments, and make sure you visit your obstetrician, gynecologist regularly for checkups and testing. Also, listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, discharge, or notice any changes, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Brushing your teeth and tongue and using a mouthwash can help reduce the number of bacteria in your mouth and lower the risk of infection. Remember, you can always choose to not swallow semen if you feel uncomfortable or have any concerns. Your sexual preferences are valid and should be respected by your partner. Additionally, after oral intimacy, it's a good idea to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water or mouthwash. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. This can help remove any lingering fluids and reduce the chances of infection. However, it's important to remember that both urine and semen can carry some bacteria. And so, going to the bathroom to urinate right after sex can help flush out any potential bacteria from the urinary tract. The first thing you need to know is there are two types of semen. You see, semen from other sources carries a higher risk of infection because you don't know the person's sexual history or health status. This is why it's crucial to take precautions, like using condoms when engaging in sexual activities with someone who is not your regular partner. On the other hand, it is important to be cautious when considering swallowing semen from any source outside of a mutually monogamous relationship. It's slightly acidic, which helps prevent and kill many harmful bacteria. So, this means that even if you do swallow some vaginal fluids during oral intimacy, it's unlikely to cause any harm. However, if you notice any unusual discharge or symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor. Now, here's something else you should know. The vagina has a natural cleansing mechanism. Another important aspect to consider is personal hygiene. Now, for those individuals who choose not to swallow semen due to personal beliefs, preferences, or health concerns, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Now, for women who actively choose to swallow semen, there are a few things to keep in mind. Finally, have open and honest communication with your partner about sexual health, boundaries, and preferences. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please share it with others if you think it will be useful to them.